Did you know that 40 million Reese's Pieces are produced every single day? That's enough candy to circle the globe nearly twice. These colorful peanut butter-filled treats have been delighting candy lovers for decades. But there's more to them than their sweet flavor and iconic role in sci-fi movies. Today we're taking you inside the high-tech factory where Reese's Pieces are made, revealing the complex machines and precise steps that turn humble peanuts into the colorful candy-coated snacks we know and love. Hit that like button and subscribe to Produce Planet, and let's get into the delicious world of Reese's Pieces. The story of Reese's Pieces is as sweet as the candy itself. Launched by Hershey in the late 1970s under the name PBs, the peanut butter-filled treats struggled to take off. Sales were disappointing, even as Hershey invested in expanding production in its facility. Just when it seemed like the candy might fade away, fate stepped in, Hollywood style. In 1981, Steven Spielberg's production team was looking for a candy to star in E.T., the extraterrestrial. Mars turned down the offer to feature M&Ms, giving Hershey the chance to shine. Jack Doyd, Hershey's director of new product development, agreed to a $1 million promotional deal, despite not having seen the movie or its mysterious alien star. It was a bold move, but Dodd believed this gamble could save their struggling candy. When E.T. hit theaters in 1982, it became an instant global sensation, and so did Reese's Pieces. Sales skyrocketed by 300% almost overnight. Stores couldn't keep up with the demand as candy flew off the shelves, and Hershey's factories worked nonstop to produce more. The Stewart Draft facility, just expanded by Hershey, was ready to handle the surge. Thanks to E.T., Reese's Pieces didn't just become popular, they became a symbol of pop culture. Hershey capitalized on the buzz with TV ads, in-store displays, and limited edition packaging. Kids everywhere wanted to taste the candy that helped bring a boy and an alien together. But the candy's long-term success wasn't just luck. Behind every bag is a finely tuned production process involving precision machines, high-quality ingredients, and strict quality control. Even after its big break in Hollywood, Reese's Pieces have continued to deliver the perfect mix of creamy peanut butter and crunchy coating, making them a timeless favorite. The journey begins on carefully managed peanut farms, where only high-quality runner peanuts are selected. Runner peanuts are ideal for candy production because of their uniform size, consistent flavor, and high oil content. This ensures a rich, nutty taste. Once harvested, the peanuts are cleaned and sorted using specialized machinery to remove any debris, shells, or damaged nuts. At the factory, the peanuts enter large industrial ovens where the roasting process begins. These ovens, designed for precision, use conveyor belts to move the peanuts through zones of carefully controlled heat. The temperature? It's typically set at around 300 degrees Fahrenheit, with adjustments made in real time using digital control systems. As the peanuts roast, they are continuously tumbled by rotating drums to ensure even exposure to heat. This tumbling prevents scorching and ensures that every peanut reaches the same golden brown hue. Technicians monitor the process using infrared sensors that measure the temperature and moisture control of the peanuts. The roasting process not only enhances the flavor, but also breaks down certain proteins, making the peanuts easier to grind in the next stage. The warm, nutty aroma fills the air, signaling that the peanuts have developed their signature roasted flavor. After roasting, the peanuts are sent to industrial grinders, where they're crushed into a coarse peanut butter paste. These grinders are massive, stainless steel machines equipped with rotating blades that can process hundreds of pounds of peanuts per hour. The grinding process breaks down the peanuts into tiny particles, creating a smooth, rich paste. But the best part of Reese's Pieces lies in the next step, mixing. The peanut paste is transferred to high-shear mixers, which spin at thousands of rotations per minute. In these mixers, salt, sugar, and a small amount of vegetable oil are added to achieve the perfect balance of sweetness, saltiness, and creaminess. The high shear action ensures that every ingredient is evenly distributed and prevents any grainy texture. Temperature control is crucial here. The mixers are equipped with cooling jackets that maintain the paste at an optimal temperature to prevent the oils from separating. Too much heat could cause the peanut butter to become oily and unmanageable. Too little mixing would leave it gritty. Hershey's engineers have fine-tuned this step, creating a creamy, smooth peanut butter filling that's ready for molding. Once mixed, the peanut butter is transferred to large temperature-controlled holding tanks, where it cools and thickens slightly before moving on to the molding stage. The peanut butter mixture is now ready to be shaped into the iconic cores of Reese's Pieces. This is done using automated molding machines, designed to produce thousands of peanut butter cores per hour. The mixture is extruded through nozzles into small shapes, the same size and shape as the final candy. The cores are deposited into molds made from food-grade stainless steel, which ensures they maintain their shape as they cool. Advanced air cooling systems blast the molds with chilled air, rapidly solidifying the peanut butter without making it too hard. The key is to achieve a firm texture that can hold its shape but still remain creamy when bitten into. Each core is checked for uniformity using digital sensors that measure size, weight, and consistency. Any cores that don't meet Hershey's strict standards are removed from the production line and either recycled or repurposed to minimize waste. Once inspected, the cores are transferred to the next stage, where they'll be coated with a crunchy sugar shell. The peanut butter cores are placed inside massive rotating panning drums, large motorized containers that resemble industrial-sized cement mixers. The panning process is one of the most important steps to create Reese's Pieces because it gives them their iconic crunchy shell. A liquid sugar solution made from a blend of sugar, corn syrup, and water is sprayed onto the peanut butter cores as the drums spin. The rotation ensures that each core is evenly coated with the sugar mixture. After each application, warm air is blown into the drums to dry the coating before the next layer is applied. This layering process can take hours, with up to 30 to 40 layers of sugar applied to achieve the desired thickness. The key to success lies in the precision of the layering. Too much sugar can make the shell too thick and overpower the peanut butter, while too little won't provide the satisfying crunch. Optical sensors continuously monitor the thickness of the coating to ensure consistency. With the sugar shell complete, it's time to give Reese's Pieces their vibrant colors. The candies are sprayed with food-safe dyes in high-capacity coloring machines. These machines, equipped with fine nozzles, apply an even layer of dye as the candies tumble in rotating drums. The classic colors, orange, yellow, and brown, were chosen to reflect the branding of Reese's Peanut Butter Cup. After coloring, the candies are polished with a thin layer of edible wax. The polishing step is essential for creating the glossy finish that Reese's Pieces are known for. The wax is applied in controlled amounts to prevent stickiness and maintain the candy's smooth, reflective surface. The polished candies are then inspected one last time before the iconic R is stamped on them. The final touch is the R printed on each candy, using high-speed printing machines. These machines use edible ink and precise sensors to ensure that the logo is applied cleanly without cracking the shell. Before packaging, the candies undergo a final quality check. Automated cameras scan for defects in shape, size, and color, while human inspectors conduct random taste tests. Any candies that fail inspection are removed and recycled. This process guarantees that only the best Reese's Pieces make it to the packaging stage. The finished candies are funneled into high-speed packaging machines, which fill bags and boxes with a perfect amount of Reese's Pieces. Each package is sealed airtight to lock in freshness and protect the candies during transport. The packaging materials are designed to be durable while minimizing environmental impact. Once packed, the candies are loaded into temperature-controlled trucks and shipped to distribution centers worldwide. Hershey's sophisticated logistics system ensures that Reese's Pieces reach store shelves in peak condition, ready for fans to enjoy. Hershey is committed to sustainability throughout the production of Reese's Pieces. The peanuts are sourced from farms that prioritize eco-friendly practices, and the factory itself uses green technologies like solar panels and water recycling systems. Even the packaging is designed to reduce plastic waste and minimize environmental impact. Through these efforts, Hershey continues to deliver delicious treats while protecting the planet. And there you have it, the incredible journey of Reese's Pieces, from farm-fresh peanuts to the iconic coated treats we can't get enough of. Each step, from roasting and grinding to coating and packaging, is a carefully orchestrated process driven by innovation and a commitment to quality. So, the next time you enjoy a handful of Reese's Pieces, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship that goes into every bite. And if you love this tour, be sure to subscribe to Produce Planet for more behind-the-scene looks at how your favorite treats are made.